Now migraine can be of two types. One is common migraine or migraine without aura. The second is, which is less common, or classic migraine. Common migraine presents with typical headache, severe headache, throbbing, pulsatile, unilateral or bilateral. Now it is often said that migraine is a typical unilateral headache. But what we see is around 40% of migraine patients have bilateral headaches. So typical unilateral headache may not always be migraine, but we do have lot of these patients who have bilateral headaches. Then these headaches are quite severe. They are often associated with nausea, vomiting, then associated dislike towards light and bright sound. The migraine is very common neurological disorder which is present in 16 to 18% of women and around 6% of men. So it is more common in women as it is associated with certain hormonal imbalances, and it is more commonly seen during the menstrual cycle in most of these females. The most important part of migraine is that it affects the 20 to 40 years of age. That is the most reproductive or most productive ages of any individual. So severe headache, if they restrict the lifestyle of these patients of 20 to 40 years of age, then that's the main problem. That's why we need to know how to manage these patients. Then besides these young population, we see around 4% of migraine patients in pediatric age group. The most of these patients are between 10 to 15 years of age, but some of them may be under 10 years of age as well. But any severe headache in a young child has to be evaluated for other possible causes also. Then migraine, certain 2% of patients may also present in more than 50 years of age. But again, there are other causes of headache except besides migraine in more than 50 years of age. So any elderly patient having a new onset of headache, we must rule out other causes before labeling migraine.